Hello friends, welcome to karmatech, and in today's video we are going to see how to change the color of the stickies. So what are stickies? Stickies are stick it. For example, if you go on command and keyboard and search for stickies and click on it, it by default opens a sticky which is yellow in color. Okay, so I normally prefer to keep my stickies on the right hand side. If you want to add some more stickies, you can just add some more. Okay, so now we have 3 stickies. Let's say you want to keep this one for work, this one for personal stuff, this one maybe a shopping list or something, and you want to have a different color for this. So how to change the color of the stickies? It's a very simple process. You see the stickies here. Make sure this sticky is written here, because if you click somewhere else you will see a finder. So when you click on it, you will see a stickies here, and then you would see this color. So again, I'm telling you, make sure you are not clicked on the desktop, otherwise you will see a finder here. You should be clicked on one of the stickies, and then you will see a stickies here and the color here, and this is where you change your color. So let's say I want to keep the work blue, personal stuff let's say pink, and shopping list let's say gray. So this is how you change the color of your stickies. I hope this video was simple and easy enough for you to understand, and if it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for similar videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.